Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert multiple pictures on one page in Microsoft Word. So firstly we need to insert our pictures. So for that go to insert, click on pictures and choose this device, and these are my three pictures which I want to insert. So I'll just select them, click on insert, and yeah, here you can see all of our pictures are now inserted and they are on separate pages. Now to put them on single page we need to select our first picture, then hit right click on wrap text, and just here we need to choose behind text option. And this is our second picture, so we'll again do the same thing, hit right click, go to wrap text, choose behind text. So this is our third picture, so we'll just repeat the same process again, wrap text and choose behind text. Now as you're done with changing wrap text option, it's time to resize all of our pictures. So for that you can just go to corner of the picture and just resize them as you want. I'll just put this like this. So basically you can just resize all of your pictures and transform them as you want, and in case if you want to combine them you can do that as well. So for that we just need to hold shift key and just select all of your pictures and just hit right click, go to group option here and select group. So here you can see all of the pictures are now grouped and we can just move them, combine. And also if you want to resize them all together you can just go to their corner and just hold shift key again and just resize. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Now I hope you understand how to insert multiple pictures on one page in Microsoft Word. So if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.